this one mechanism of hormone action. Actually the hormones are two types. Out of the two types, first one is water soluble hormones. Water soluble hormones are, which are the water soluble hormones? First one, amino hormones. Amino hormones means they are made up of with amino acids. Second one, peptide hormones. Peptide hormones means they are made up of with peptides. Third one is protein hormones. They are made up of with the polypeptide chain, the proteins. These hormones are water soluble hormones except that one is thyroxine hormone. Thyroxine not involved in that water soluble mechanism, but actually the water soluble hormone thyroxine, but this hormone is involved in the fat soluble mechanism. It's a very, very important that repeated this point. Note it, this one, the thyroxine. In the first one process, see this one. Actually, this red color is given that one. One means they are made up of with the receptors. All hormone receptors are protein receptors. This one is one. See, it is a plasma membrane. This one, actually this one is called as plasma membrane of the cell. Plasma membrane. Bilipid layer. Plasma membrane. See this one. This is that lipid molecule that related bilipid layer they're forming. Inside this one, cytoplasm. This side inside of the cell is the cytoplasm. Cell surrounding membrane. Okay. Now this one, first one is what you call the receptor. The red color, this receptor. This receptor, when you are observed, is the second one is this hormone. Specific hormone react with the specific receptor. This is the second one. Then both are together. Hormone plus receptor together is called as what? Third one, hormone receptor complex. Hormone receptor complex. Hormone receptor complex, third one. This one is signal transferred to that G protein. This related, this one is fourth one, G protein. Okay. This G protein related signal transferred to that, they are forming GTP. See this one, GTP, guanidinosin triphosphate. Then sixth one, the signal transferred to that adenylate cyclase. See this one, adenylate cyclase, the sixth one. This one, adenylate cyclase, they are forming the secondary messengers. That one is seventh one, secondary messengers. From the ATP, they form the CAMP. What is the CAMP? See this one, CAMP. CAMP activate the protein kinases enzymes like this one. CAMP. These all this commonly is called as secondary messengers. Secondary messengers. How many types of secondary messengers? 3 types. What are the 3 types? First one, CAMP, cyclic adenosine monophosphate. Second one, IP3, inositol phosphate 3. Third one, calcium ions, Ca2 plus ions. Okay. This one is trigger the continuation. Eighth one step. That eighth step is metabolic reaction. Thousands of glycolysis reactions. Thousands of glycolysis. Means actually these all the reactions are which type of? Cascade reactions. Cascade means chain reactions. Cascade reactions. Chain like reactions. Okay. Once again we repeated this all the points. First one is what you call receptor. Second one hormone. Hormone another name is that this is the secondary messenger. Which is the first primary messenger? Hormone is primary messengers. Primary messenger. The hormones are primary messengers. So first one receptor, second one primary messenger hormone, third one hormone receptor complex. That together receptor plus hormone, the both are, this is called as third one hormone receptor complex. Then fourth one G protein. G protein that produce the GTP. Fifth one. They transfer the adenine cyclase. That sixth one. Adenine cyclase they produce. The seventh one is that messengers. What is the messengers? Secondary messengers. Seventh one, secondary messenger. Secondary messengers are three types: CAMP, IP3 and Ca2 plus. IP3 means inositol phosphate 3. CAMP means cyclic adenosine monophosphate and calcium ions. Out of three, only one type is required in each cell related. So not required, not all the three relateds. Only one is the sufficient for these reactions related. CAMP. So CAMP here, the secondary messenger. Whereas the hormone is, see this one, second one hormone, primary messengers. Then when observe the eighth one, this is the thousands of glycolysis process. These are the cascade reactions. In the water soluble hormones, they are involved in that, this type of mechanism. Okay. Thank you.